Okay, here we go. First trip into the Beartooth. Okay, upwards and onwards we go. Okay, making my way up higher. Beautiful. It's 45 degrees out, but the wind's not blowing here. I've been up that road. Takes you way up. To the top of that plateau right there. All right. Onwards and upwards. Okay, made it to the vista point. And that is quite the vista. There's Hell Roaring Plateau. I went up there, saw a big old herd of elk. That's pretty neat. I'm not sure what that is. What mountain that is. And then that canyon over there, Lake Fork, maybe? I don't know. Sure is beautiful up here though. Okay, upwards and onwards. Okay, we are now up on the plateau. Let's see, that's the way down to Twin Lakes. Been down there several times. I'm sure they're frozen now. And pan around. I have not seen any wildlife. I did see a marmot. Let's see, and this will give you a good look at the plateau. Oh, we're in Wyoming now. So not too far from the top. Okay, a little bit farther up. And there we got frozen Twin Lakes. And there's the lower one peeking out right there. Looks like I might be able to get down there in another month or so. Interesting ice formations. Hardly anybody up here. I think one car's passed me. What is it, June 1st maybe? 2nd? 7 o'clock in the morning, 39 degrees. Okay, onwards and upwards. All right, made it to the top. Can't believe how calm it is up here. Beartooth Pass Summit, elevation 10,947 feet. And look at this panorama. I have to figure out what ranges these are. That might be part of the Bighorns. Not sure. Okay, so I am going to go down to the Beartooth Plateau and come out Chief Joseph Highway and come back out to Billings that way. Okay, onwards and upwards. All right, here's frozen Long Lake. Still beautiful morning, calm. Temperature actually rose up to 41, I think. Okay, next stop, what the hell is the name of that lake? Beartooth Lake, duh. Okay, the road getting into the campground is closed. But look at this. I came across this beautiful scene. It'd be really cool video if the sun was shining on it, but oh well. This end of the lake's thawed. Knew I should have brought my fishing pole. I figured it'd be all frozen over. Okay, next stop, there's a falls down the way. Wow, would you look at that? That's beautiful. But I did see something a little unnerving. If I was a betting man, that's a big, giant pile of grizzly shit. And it's fresh, super fresh. So I'm a little nervous. I think I'm gonna get back in my car. Kind of freaking out. I mean, I wouldn't mind seeing a grizzly as long as I was in my car. Okay, there's another falls down the way too. This is Beartooth Falls. All right, there's the famous Pilot Index Peak. And then I believe that's going to be part of the Absorkies. What's making that noise? Still freaked out about that bear poop. Nah. Be cool to see one though. Isn't that a panorama? Wow. Okay, got another falls here. Probably one of the most impressive ones yet. Pretty crazy. A lot of water coming out of these mountains. Okay, I'm at the falls. There it is. A lot of power coming down that mountain. You know, all the times I've been over the Beartooth, several times a year, I've never stopped here. Pretty impressive. Okay, well that's going to conclude my first trip, Beartooth Highway 2023. First trip of the year, 2023. Look how green and lush everything is. So beautiful.